Welcome. If you want to reply to a specific message from chat on Instagram using your PC, the latest update has made it easier than ever. Whether you're catching up with friends, responding to work messages, or just keeping your conversations organized, this guide will walk you through each step. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. You can do this by visiting Instagram's website in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Instagram layout, just like on your phone. Next, look to the left side of your screen and find the Messages icon. It looks like a paper airplane. Click on this icon, and you'll be taken straight to your direct messages. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent chats. Now, open the chat where you want to reply to a message. Simply click on the conversation, and all the messages you've exchanged with that person will appear in the main window. Find the specific message you want to reply to. When you hover your mouse over the message, you'll notice a reply icon appear next to it, usually an arrow pointing to the left. Click on this reply icon. This action will pull up a reply box directly above the original message, so your response will be clearly linked to what you're addressing. Type your message in the box provided. Take your time to write exactly what you want to say. When you're ready, click the Send button. Your reply will be sent instantly and will show up directly connected to the original message, making your conversation easy to follow. That's it. With these simple steps, you can now reply to messages from chat on Instagram using your PC, keeping your conversations organized and your responses clear. Give it a try next time you're on your computer and want to stay connected without picking up your phone.